TBLS here with Barno Recipes. Before we get started with the video, if I can ask you guys all to go down and like and subscribe to this video and share with all your friends so they kind of know what we're doing here on Barno Recipes. On today's installment, we're going to be making a bacon white hillbilly spaghetti in the cast iron skillet. If you come down here and look at the ingredients list, it kind of shows you what we got, but we're going to have all the directions and ingredients list in the description section below where you can get everything you need. But this is pretty much all you're going to need. Okay, start with browning and crisping up your bacon. We're going to render out some of this fat, and we'll probably make a roux once the fat gets rendered out. Okay, once your bacon is crisped up, you can go ahead and remove it and put it on a paper lined plate. After you have all your bacon removed, we're going to add some flour to this grease. Keep it on, and keep it on low so it doesn't burn. And we're going to add we're going to start off with about 3 or 4 tablespoons. And go from there until we need any more or less. And we're just going to make a roux. Okay, once your roux gets done and you think the flour taste is cooked out of it, it's time to go ahead and add our milk. And I will have the exact measurements for you in the description. Okay, we're going to go ahead and drop the spaghetti in the pot. We're not going to cook it all the way. We're just going to get it to bend easily. And that's really all we're going to do. Because it's going to continue cooking when we get it into our sauce. You're going to have go ahead and add 3 pinches of salt. I'll have the exact measurements in the description for you, and a couple of pinches of pepper. And then we can add our semi-cooked spaghetti into this. Need more spaghetti than that. Oh, you got money, okay. Alright, once you get it like this, it's time to go ahead and add your onions. And also your garlic. And then get that nicely stirred around again. Alright, after you get this stirred up, add about a quarter of the bacon that you just got crushed up, and stir that around. Okay, and then it's time to put our cream cheese in there. And get that mixed around and melted in there nicely. Okay. and it's not liquidy enough, reserve some of your pasta water and use it to loosen this up and make it more of a sauce. And feel free to add, we need a little more, to make it really nice and creamy. And like a spaghetti sauce, basically, but it's a white one. Okay, and then once you got it the way you want it, add your green onions. And then we are going to add our cheese. And we got a mixture of cheddar and Occidental, or Oxy something, I think it's Occidental. Okay, then we're going to add some pepperoni to this as well. Okay, and then we've got an extra amount, a lot of bacon. So add all the rest of your bacon, whatever you have left. And add some more green onions. And then we're going to add one more layer of cheese. That's a lot of cheese. Smells so good. It smells fantastic already. Can't imagine what this is going to taste like. Alright, let's have the white cheese. And then we're going to finish it off with a little bit of green onions again. And then we're going to put this under the broiler for a few minutes and get it nice and crisp up. To the broiler now. And we're just going to kind of heat it on the broiler and kind of watch it until the cheese gets nice and melted bubbly. And this is the way it looks once you get it out of the oven and the cheese is all nice and melted. And we'll cut it into it here in a little bit and give it a taste test for you guys. Okay, once we have it out, we're going to go ahead and cut it up. And be sure to let yours stand for a little while to cool off. And you can cut it up like a pie, however you want to do it. And there it is. A little hot but delicious. I was just trying to make this. It's a very easy recipe. Comes up phenomenal. And thank you guys for watching, and be sure and go down below and like and subscribe and share my video as much as possible. Thank y'all so much.